it like you handling your problems on a daily. Yeah, my shorty say me, got engravings after dating. Like her name was tatted on my soul. She my normal girl on Love Galore who never lost control. Plus a supermodel. Yeah. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I will show you guys how I get like a messy bun, because you guys saw this Instagram photo right here and you guys were like DMing me asking me how I did the messy bun, because I know that getting a messy perfect bun is really difficult, but I actually have an easy way for you guys to do it and you guys will be like, wow, why I haven't done it before. And yeah, this is what I have been doing all the time now. So if you guys want to see how I create like the perfect messy bun, then just keep on watching. Okay guys, so my hair is like probably like 3 or 4 days without being washed, because you guys know we quarantine in the house and I'm like, I'm not going anywhere. I don't care about my hair. As long as I take care of myself, wash my body, I don't care about my hair. Plus I heard that washing your hair every single day is not that good. So yeah, but usually guys, my hair get really like oily, like dirty, greasy around day 3 or 4 already. So I usually use dry shampoo, but obviously I ran out, so I will show you guys how powder will work, like any translucent powder. So this is just a Airsprung loose face powder. I got this from the drugstore and it was only like what, $5-6, very cheap, and this actually lasts me throughout the year guys. This is really good for like setting your face as well. Love it. You guys should check it out if you guys haven't. The reason why I use translucent powder for my hair is because it does the same thing to my hair as it does to my face, which is like it soaks up the oil. Plus you don't end up with any like residue on your hair, which is great. It blends in your scalp. Of course, you guys know you guys don't have to worry about like carrying dry shampoo, and that's like a less product for you to carry, so it wouldn't be heavy because you have the translucent powder, which works for your face and for your hair. So when I open up the translucent powder, it has like a puff for you and the powder is right there. So what I do is I take a dense brush and I dip it into the product, and then I just like section off my hair wherever I feel like I need the powder. And you guys see the residue there? It's okay, don't worry, we'll blend that all out later at the end. I'm just worried about getting the powder into my scalp right now to absorb all the oil. And of course guys, don't forget the back as well. So I'm just like winging it in the back because obviously I cannot see. And as you guys can see, my hair looks like it's fresh, like I just got out the shower, because it doesn't look like greasy or oily. Alright, so once that's on your hair, you guys see how it just like blends in my hair? And if there's still like some residue, just use your hand and just rub into your scalp like that. Because with the dry shampoo, it's like the same thing. You have to like rub it into your scalp. So see? Fresh hair, guys. Look at that. Alright, fresh hair, like I say, look at that. Looks like I just got out the shower and just blow dry my hair. And since this is like a messy bun, I don't really comb my hair, to be honest. So I just have like a rubber band. I like to section my hair in the middle like that, and then just tie it up into a ponytail. Then usually I do get a comb for this, but I'm just gonna use my fingers and run through my hair because I want like a messy bun. So it doesn't have to be like really neat, guys. And it depends on how high you want your ponytail. If you want it high, I would do it a bit more high. If you want it low, you tie it lower. And then when you tie it, make sure you tie it where halfway here. I usually like to leave it halfway there. And then you guys see the leftover part. All I do is, let me just turn to the side for you guys to see. Is just twist it like that.
then once I twist the hair, I will just wrap it around the hair tie like that. See? And I'm just going to get another hair tie. Usually I like to use these because they cover up like the rubber band. And just tie it up like that. See? And then if you guys don't like the way it looks, you guys can always like adjust it, like pull a hair out and add like bobby pins to your hair. So I'm going to take like a couple of bobby pins and just pin this part down here. And basically you just pin it down to however you like it, to be honest. So I like more of like the big bun hair, and then I just pull out the front part here like that to make it look like oomph, if that makes sense, guys. But yeah, so this is how I usually like my bun, and then you could just pull it out more. So there's my bun, guys. Wasn't that easy? So you guys could leave it like this, but what I usually like to do, like in the picture that you guys saw, I like to take like 2 front pieces out and curl them. But I can't curl them, guys, because I left my iron curler in PA at my brother's house, so I can't curl it. But usually what you could also do is like take a pencil, wrap it around, and use your hair straightener and it curls for you. And what I also do, guys, you guys see how like I don't have hair over here and over here, like I have spots. I usually like to take like a small eyeshadow brush and a black eyeshadow, just like this. This is from the Aritza Anastasia Beverly Hills eyeshadow palette. Love this. But I usually take the black shadow right here and I just fill in the space to make my hair look like it's fuller. So I usually do it like that. So you guys see the difference? Over here looks like it's full compared to here. Like I'm still having gaps in my hair, like no hair at that section. Okay guys, so I look like I have fuller hair. Do you guys see the difference that it makes? I freaking love it. Okay guys, so there you guys have it, my easy messy bun. Let me know if you guys try this way and how do you guys feel about it. Like, is it easier than what you guys usually do? But if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, leave any comments down below, and subscribe. See you guys in my next video.
You know that you my aura and existence, cause you hold a crown. You hold a crown, yeah. You know that you my aura and existence, cause you hold it down. You hold it down, yeah. You know that you my aura and existence, like you lost and found. You lost and found, yeah. You know that you my aura and existence, cause you hold it